Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, December 14th. Next week's folder is now open in Schoology. Is a purple folder. It is entitled Q2 Week 7 with next week's dates. It says Ancient Egypt Brochure Project. So when students go in there, they're going to find the project directions and assignment in Monday's folder. So the first thing that I want to click on is the brochure directions. So inside of here, the first thing is the task. It says create a travel brochure that showcases our studies of Egyptian society. You must describe all 8 elements of a civilization: cities, government, established religion, job specialization, social classes and public works, arts and architecture, and writing. Summaries should include vocabulary learned in this unit to demonstrate understanding of them, be accurate and grammatically correct. You should also use images added from web resources to make your short brochure visually appealing. So the grading scale is there, 10, 8, 7, 6 points for a product grade here. So this is our culminating activity for ancient Egypt. And you can see that those 8 elements of civilization are listed below: cities, government, established religion, job specialization, so on. Each element has its own set of questions that are the driving questions for students to research and consider. Now, students do not need to fill out any paperwork when it comes to these questions because they are going to be using these questions to fill in their research project through PowerPoint. So what I would strongly suggest to students is leave this tab open, and then I would open an additional tab side by side so that you can open up the project as well in Monday's folder. So it is entitled Ancient Egypt Brochure Project. You'll click on My Document. It'll open up your own version, and it will open up this project right here. So students will utilize these slides, this slide deck. The first slide is a little bit creative, where they could make their brochure title a fake travel company name, contact information. They can include a picture and an overview of what they will be completing in their Egypt project. Then the next 8 slides are the elements of civilization, or the characteristics of civilization. Using the directions from Schoology and the guiding questions, students can utilize web resources, Google, any type of activity that we have completed during the Egypt unit over the last couple weeks to fill in information for each characteristics of civilization. So for example, cities, they will answer the 3 questions: describe the location of ancient Egypt, list 2 to 3 cities in ancient Egypt, and I'm asking that they include a map of Upper and Lower Egypt. So students can make this as creative as they like. They could change the colors. They could add whatever pictures they would like from the internet. I would like students to get creative if that is their intention. So students will do that for all 8 slides. And what we will do is I'm asking that students get started on this on Monday so that we can discuss during our live Google Meet on Tuesday any questions that they might have. On Tuesday, the first 15 to 20 minutes will be devoted to a conversation with our guidance counselor, who has a special presentation. Then the remaining time during class will be to answer questions and continue to introduce this project. Students will have the entire week this upcoming week to work on this project. And as soon as they are ready, they're more than welcome to submit this week. If you have any questions, please contact me via email. Have a great day and a great rest of your Sunday. See ya.